Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule C, step by step. Schedule C is a crucial tax form for self-employed individuals and small business owners. It helps you report your business's income and expenses to the Internal Revenue Service. This form is typically used by sole proprietors or single-member limited liability companies, and it attaches to your personal income tax return, Form 1040. You'll need to file it if you operate a business with the primary purpose of making a profit. Moving on to Part 1, this section is dedicated to reporting your business income. You'll start by listing your gross receipts or sales, which is the total money your business earned before any deductions. Remember to subtract any returns or allowances, like refunds given to customers. If your business sells products, you'll also factor in your cost of goods sold here to determine your gross profit. Part 2 is where you can significantly reduce your taxable income by listing your business expenses. These must be both ordinary and necessary for your business operations. Categories include advertising, office expenses, rent, and utilities. For vehicle use, you can choose between the standard mileage rate, currently 67 cents per mile, or actual expenses. Always maintain thorough records for every deduction. In Part 3, you'll calculate your cost of goods sold if your business involves inventory. Part 4 requires details if you're deducting vehicle expenses, such as total miles driven for business. Part 5 is a catch-all for other legitimate business expenses not covered in Part 2. Finally, after subtracting all your expenses from your gross income, you'll arrive at your net profit or loss, which flows to your personal tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.